I don't know if any of you remembers this, but there was a time when Hamza posted a job offer or a job competition for like a professional thinker. The idea of the job was someone who will think of ideas of how to improve the channel and bring new things to the channel. And the requirement was to fill out a form with questions, and the questions were: how would you improve this channel if you already had this job? Similar things to that. When I saw this, I felt like this is perfect for me. It's a good salary. I work for Hamza. It's like, it will be an amazing job. So I decided, okay, I'll apply for this. I have to do some thinking now to answer these questions. So what will I do to have the best thinking? I will go to a shower, because I just found that while I'm in the shower, I have the best ideas and I'm most creative. And I know that now so many of you will say like, oh, that's me too, I relate to that. Yes, of course you do. Everybody relates to that. So many people like to pretend that they're quirky and original because they relate to something that literally everybody relates to. But okay, that's off topic. Anyways, I did go to the shower, I got some good ideas. I did not get the job, obviously, because if I got the job, I would already be using it to promote myself. Like, hey bro, I worked for Hamza, subscribe to me now. I mean, you can subscribe to me anyways, like I wouldn't have anything against it. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. Let's rewind a little bit to the shower thing. Why is it that you get the best ideas in the shower and that so many people relate to that? Well, there is an old video on my channel talking about this, and spoiler alert, there is an old video on my channel talking about this, and spoiler alert, it's not because the water hits your body in a certain way and that causes a chemical reaction that releases the creativity hormone and then you have the best. No, it's not because of that. It's actually because of something completely different. What is it? Well, let's think about it a little bit. What is something that you don't have in the shower and that you do have everywhere else in your life? So did you guess it? Okay, now you might be thinking, what does that have to do with anything, with creative thinking and whatever? Well, think about it a little bit again. The moment that your brain starts generating some creative ideas and having some original thoughts, a notification comes up. And another one, and another one, and oh look, your crush is texting you, and oh, your homies are saying something in the group chat, and oh look, Logan Paul just posted a new photo. So how do you expect to have original and creative ideas when you're constantly being distracted, when you're constantly having notifications popped up in your face, not letting you think for a second? What this is actually is your phone is telling you what to think about, not your brain. Your brain is not deciding by itself, but your phone is giving you a topic and saying, think about this. Don't think about some original thoughts from your head. Think about this that I just gave you on Instagram, this post, or whatever. So removing your phone from sight would be letting your brain decide on its own what it's going to think about. And let's be honest, nowadays shower is the only place where people actually don't bring their phone. Well, you know what, they do. Actually they do. Many people do. But you know, remove the shower. Who cares about the shower? But the point of this video is not to go to a shower because you want to have creative thoughts. The point of this video is that you get creative ideas when your phone is not around to distract you. Therefore, you need to turn off your phone if you want to get good ideas, logically. So, what I'm suggesting that you do is that you take some time in your day when you don't do anything besides thinking. Turn off your phone, turn off the PC, turn off the TV, anything that could distract you. Get away from people. You know, there is a time and place for talking with people, that's also good, but there is a time and place for being alone as well. So take out all the distractions, go look at the wall and just think for, you know what, do at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day, that's great for a beginner. You don't even have to have a topic. It would be good if you had a topic too, but you don't have to. You can just let your brain take you wherever it decides. And another tip that I could give you if you want something a little bit more extreme, and this is what I do, and this can also help you solve two problems at the same time. So if you have problems falling asleep, you can turn off the phone an hour before bed. In that time where you don't have a phone, and it's, you know, it's late, you're about to go to sleep, well, you can use that time for thinking. You will have a whole hour for thinking and you will fall asleep way easier. So, you know, I think it's a great idea. I do it every night. It does absolutely help me with falling asleep, and it does absolutely give me time to think. So I can tell you that it's really working. That's all I had to say for this video. I hope you find it useful. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more of my videos, there is plenty on my channel. If you want to watch one right away, you can watch this one over here. If you're liking me and my content, you can consider subscribing. It's a win-win because it will help you by giving you self-improvement information, and it will help me grow my channel. So you can consider doing it if you want to. That's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.